Hello students, in previous video we have seen row echelon form and reduced row echelon form. Row echelon form, when we say that matrix A is in row echelon form, if it satisfies these three conditions. First condition is all zero rows are the bottom of the matrix. Second condition is each leading non-zero entry in a row is to the right of the leading non-zero entry in the preceding row. And third condition is all entries in a column below a leading entry are zero. Now, and we also seen reduced row echelon form. For this, first condition is matrix is in row echelon form. Second condition is the leading entry in each non-zero row is 1, and third condition is each leading entry 1 is the only non-zero entry in its column. Now we will see some examples. Example 1. Convert the following matrix into row reduced echelon form. Row reduced echelon form. Convert the following matrix into reduced row echelon form. A is equals to matrix 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, minus 9, 11, 1, 2, 4, 3. We have to convert this matrix in reduced row echelon form. First we have to convert this matrix in row echelon form. We have A is equals to matrix 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, minus 9, 11, 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay. First we interchange first row and third row. R1, R3. Therefore, matrix A becomes 1, 2, 4, 3. Second row as it is 5, 8, minus 9, 11. And third row is 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay. See here. In row echelon form, only leading one is only non-zero entry in its column. So, here we require 0. Therefore, we perform a row operation R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1. First row as it is 1, 2, 4, 3. After performing this operation, second row becomes 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 10 minus 2 minus 9 minus 20 minus 29. 11 minus 15 minus 4. 0, 1, 2, 4. In second row, this minus 2 is leading entry. But in reduced row echelon form, we require here leading 1. Therefore, we perform a row operation. First we perform a row. First here we make 0. For that we perform a row operation 2 into R3 plus R2. 1, 2, 4, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 29, minus 4. 0, obviously 0 into 3, 0, plus 0 is 0. Then 2 into R2 means 2 into 1 minus 2 is 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 29 minus 25. 2 into 4, 8 minus 4 is nothing but 4. Okay. Now here we require 1. Therefore we perform a row operation. Therefore we perform a row operation R2 upon minus 2. Therefore matrix becomes 1 2 4 3 0 1 29 by 2 minus 4, here is 2, and last row is 0 0 minus 25 upon 4. See here, in third row this minus 25 is leading entry. Here we require 1, therefore we perform a row operation R3 upon minus 25. We get 1 2 4 3 0 1 29 upon 2 2 0 0 1 minus 4 by 25. See here we require 0 because in reduced row echelon for only leading one is the only non-zero entry in that column. Therefore we perform a row operation R1 minus 2 R2. We get matrix 1 minus 0 is 0. R1 is 2 minus 2 is 0. R1 is 4 minus 2 into R2 means 2 into 29 by 2. 2 cancel. 4 minus 29 we get minus 25. And last entry is 3 minus 4 which is minus 1. Second row is 0 1 29 by 2 2 0 0 1 minus 4 upon 25. See here, in this column, in third row, this one is leading 1. Therefore we require here 0. For this we perform a row operation. R2 minus 29 by 2 R3, and we also require here 0. For that we perform a row operation R1 minus 25 R1 plus 25 into R3. Matrix is, first we perform row operation on first row. See here, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 0, minus 25 plus 25 is 0. R1 is minus 1 plus 25 into minus 4 upon 25. 25 get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Second row, R2 minus 29 by 2. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 obviously 1. 29 by 2 minus 29 by 2 is 0. R2 here 2 minus 29 by 2 into R3 means 2. which is 2 gets cancelled. Sorry, see here, R2 means 2 minus 29 by 2 into R3 minus 4 upon 25. 2 into 2, 2, this is minus 2. 2 plus 58 upon 25. After simplifying means 25 into 2, 50 plus 58 upon 25, which is nothing but 108 upon 25. And third row is 0, 0, 1 minus 4 upon 25. See here, this is a reduced row echelon form of matrix A. Is a reduced echelon form of matrix A. Because see here, this one is leading entry for first row, this one is leading entry for third row, and this one is leading entry for third row. Observe that this one is only non-zero entry in this column, this leading one is only non-zero entry in this column, and this one is only non-zero entry in this column. Therefore, it is in reduced row echelon form. Let us take second example. Solve the system of linear equation. Solve the system of linear equation. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. 4x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 3. 7x plus 8y plus 9z is equal to 3. By row reduction method, or row echelon form. In solution, first we have to write augmented matrix for this linear system. The augmented matrix. We have already seen what is augmented matrix. The augmented matrix A, B, where A is nothing but coefficient matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and B is nothing but matrix 1, 3, 5. Okay, therefore augmented matrix AB is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 3, 5. Okay. We have to obtain row echelon form of this matrix. See here, this one is leading entry for first row. So here we require 0. For this purpose, we perform a row operation R2 minus 4R1 and R3 minus 7R1. R3 minus 7R1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Obviously, 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus, here R2 is 5 minus 4 into 2 means minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 40 minus 6. 9 minus 21 minus 12. 5 minus 7. Sorry, R3 is 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Sorry, here is 3. Therefore 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 1 minus 1 minus 4. Okay. See here this is the leading entry for second row. Here we require 1. Okay. First we perform a row operation. Here we make 0. For this we perform a row operation. R3 minus 2 R2. 1 2 3 1. Second row as it is. 0 minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 0. R3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 0. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Sorry, here is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Here we require 1. Therefore we perform a row operation. R2 upon minus 3. Therefore matrix becomes 1 2 3 1 0 1 2 1 by 3 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 2. Here we require 0. Therefore we perform a row operation. R1 minus 2 R2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 3. Sorry. R1 is 1. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 3, which is 3 minus 2 upon 3. Therefore it is 1 by 3. Second row is 0 1 2 1 by 3. 0 0 minus 2. See here we require 1. Therefore we perform a row operation. R2 upon minus 2. 1 0 minus 1 1 by 3. 0 1 2 1 by 3. 0 0 1. Okay. Now here this is the leading entry in third row, so that here we require 0. For this purpose we perform a row operation. R1 minus 1 by 3 R3 and R2 minus 1 by 3 R3. Okay. Therefore R1 minus 0 is 0. Sorry. 1 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 0. Second row is 0 1 2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 0. 0 0 1. This is a reduced row echelon. This is A reduced row echelon form of matrix. This is a row echelon form of matrix A B. Matrix A B. We have to find out solution of this system. Here observe last row. What we get? See here. Last row is 0, 0, 1. This all entry of A become 0 and this is non-zero. Obviously 0 is not equal to 1, therefore the above system has no solution. Therefore above system has no solution. Therefore the given system is inconsistent. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.